Welcome, everyone. I'm thrilled to have you here today. Let's begin with a curious thought. What if I told you a humble butter brand became India's longest-running and most loved social commentator? We are talking about Amul, the taste of India. A brand that didn't just sell dairy, but built a cultural movement. From the cheeky Amul girl to clever hoardings that make you laugh today, we'll decode how Amul became a master of consistency, creativity, and connection. Let's rewind to 1946. That's when a revolution began, the White Revolution, led by the visionary Dr. Varghese Kurian, also known as the Milkman of India. This gave birth to Amul, a cooperative owned by the farmers, for the farmers. Their mission was to empower rural communities by delivering affordable nutrition to every Indian. Let's walk through some key milestones. 1946, Amul is born. 1966, the iconic Amul girl appears. 1994, the Taste of India campaign launches. 2000s, Amul expands into pizzas, chocolate. 2020 goes viral with witty lockdown ads. 2023 crosses 61,000 crore rupees in revenue. From a local dairy to a national treasure, Amul's journey is nothing short of legendary. Now talking about identity, their positioning is done as affordable, trustworthy, and culturally rooted, and their audience is literally everyone: families, millennials, elders. Their USP is farmer-owned, socially aware, topical humor. Whether it's a cricket win, political drama, or a viral trend, the Amul girl delivers a witty take. In short, Amul doesn't follow culture, it comments on it. Now let's break it down: marketing style. It segments itself with urban and rural, all ages, all incomes. Their target personas is literally from a 30-year-old mom buying to a 60-year-old. Positioning itself as Amul, the taste of India. Nutrition served with emotion, humor, and heart. Every brand needs goals, right? Here's what Amul is chasing: push new SKUs, expand into Tier 3 cities, modernize without losing legacy, grow into a digital-savvy food tech brand. Here comes the classic 4P breakdown. They have a wide product range with that nostalgic Amul girl twist on every pack. They have affordable, smart, psychological pricing. With over 5 lakh outlets, milk ATMs, and even quick commerce, the Amul girl is the brand's biggest star for them. The secret sauce? Amul turned moment marketing into a daily ritual before it became trendy, making a impactful, funny, short ads. Amul turned old-school marketing into an Instagram vibe. They've got over 1 million followers. Even when controversies pop up, Amul handles it with grace and a smile. Amul stays relevant with smart collaborations like Amul Netflix is equal to Stranger Things ads, Amul X Olympics campaigns, and CSR activities. Talking about the learnings from the journey: consistency of voice, creative, low-budget storytelling, topical, humorous branding. What didn't work is a few controversial misses and slow digital jump until 2019, but the takeaway is clear: stay real. Stay rooted. Facing off against biggies like Nestle, Britannia, and Mother Dairy, Amul shines always. So, what makes Amul unstoppable? Simplicity, satire, sincerity. Top 3 marketing mantras from Amul's journey. Build a brand with voice and values. Humor builds trust and recall. Consistency beats campaigns. Now tell me, which Amul ad made you laugh the most? Drop it in the comments. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Please subscribe for more such brand storytelling breakdowns. Until next time, this was The Taste of India, Amul's incredible marketing journey.